Welcome to The English We Speak with me, Phil.
And me, Fei.
We have an expression that is about showing people how to do things or explaining something to them. It's walk someone through.
Walk someone through. When would you use this?
It's most commonly used at work. It means to guide, explain, or practice something step by step. So, if there's something new and you don't know how to do it, you need someone to walk you through it.
I remember when you started working here, we had to walk you through everything. Luckily, it's all on computers, so there wasn't much actual walking at all.
No, it's not really about walking. It's about doing everything slowly and carefully, one step at a time together with someone else. We often use it with different processes. As you were saying, it's very common for when someone starts a new job.
Well, until you walk someone through something, they never really understand it properly. It's good to look at each step in turn.
True. As well as processes, it can also be used more generally to mean explain something carefully. Listen to these examples.
We need to produce this report every week. Don't worry, I can walk you through it.
There's a lot of information here, but I can walk you through what it all means.
It's going to be a really busy event, but I can walk you through what's going to happen.
You're listening to The English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're learning the expression walk someone through something, which means guide someone through something.
It's a verb, but there's also a noun that comes from it. We can talk about a walkthrough. That's a practice or a demonstration of something.
So after you've walked someone through a process, they can do a walkthrough so you can see if they understand it.
Well, hopefully now we've walked you through how to use walk someone through. Let's stop here.
See you next time.
Bye.